Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In today's lecture, we will learn about another important pandas function called interpolate, which can be used to uh, handle the missing value in the given series or pandas data frame. Interpolation is a useful mathematical and statistical tool that is used to estimate values between any two given points on a line or curve. Here in a graph, some values are missing between the two known points A and B. Interpolation can help to estimate these missing values, by connecting dots in a straight line in increasing order if we are using the linear interpolation method. The function interpolate function is used to fill not a number using interpolation method. So here we will use the same data used for the in the previous lectures for practicing the interpolate function. First of all, to import the pandas library, interpolate function takes different parameters. The first is method. It supports multiple methods. The default one is the linear. It can support the paired, nearest and other methods, polynomial, etc. The other is access. Access to interpolate along. Whether you are going to interpolate along the rows at the axis 0 means across the rows, and 1 means across the columns. Similarly, limit. It is a integer values which indicates maximum number of consecutive, not a number to fill, which must be greater than the 0. The other is in place. In place, allow or disallow to change the original data frame. Limit direction. It supports different direction, forward, backward, both. Basically, this is the consecutive, not a number, will be filled in these directions. If limit is specified and the method is paired or ffill, the direction must be forward. If it is backfill or bfill, then direction must be backward. If limit is not specified, then default is the backward. The other one is the limit area. Limit area by default there is none. If limit is specified, consecutive missing value will be filled with this restriction. None means no fill restriction, and there is no filling restriction. Inside only means only fill not a number surrounded by the valid value, which is called interpolation. Outside, it can take the value outside, which means only fill not a number outside valued value, which is called extrapolation. Extrapolation means to guess data points from beyond the range of your data. So here we will use the same data as used in the previous lectures, weather data, hypothetical data. So this is the data which contains 5 columns and 14 rows. Temperature, humidity, wind speed and clouds. It contains missing values. So now first of all, replacing missing value with not missing values using linear method. In this case, we are using the linear method. Linear interpolation estimates missing values by connecting dots in a straight line in increasing order. If we run this, so for example, in the above data, here some values are missing. In temperature, in the temperature column, temperature for the day 3, 4, 6, 7 and 8 are missing. Similarly, in the humidity column, humidity value for the day 1, day 7 are missing. So now we use the interpolation method to estimate these missing values. Here we are using the linear method. So if we run this, so we will so this is the data in which the missing temperature for day 3 were estimated as 22.66 and 24.33. Similarly, for the day 6 and 7 and 8, 28, 27, 28 and 29 values were estimated for the day 6, 7 and 8 respectively. So here, because by default it used the previous value to estimate the missing value, so there is in the humidity column for the day 1 there is no previous value, so it left as it is. So in this way we can use the interpolate function. For example, if we want to interpolate the for a single column for temperature, for example, so we can run this like this. So it will estimate the values for missing values in the given column. Let's say we show it in a graph. For example, if we draw the graph, so here a graph shows the missing values in the column temperature and humidity. So if we use the interpolate, it will estimate these values, these missing values. So let we run the function. So all in this way interpolate function connect all the missing dots in a straight line in increasing order. Replacing missing value using linear method along axis. So if we use the axis is equal to 0, so it will perform the operation across the rows. So let's we run this. So by default it is using the forward direction. So in this case all values are estimated, missing value estimated across the rows. So again because there is no previous value in the humidity column, so it will not estimate that values. So if we want to perform the operation across the columns, so now in this way because now the operation are performed across the column, so it will estimate this value for the humidity also. If we want to limit the number of consecutive missing values to fill, in this way we can specify the limit. number of consecutive missing values to fill. So here we are using the method linear. X is equal to 0 across the row and the limit is 2. So after running this, we will get the following output. So because we know that values for the temperature for the day 6, 7 and 8 are missing. 3 consecutive values are missing, but we have specified the limit is equal to 2. So it will fill only the first consecutive 2 values, missing values. So in this way, if we change the x is equal to 1, so in this case it will fill the consecutive value across the column with the limit 2. So here again, because in the day all the values for the day 7 are missing. So again, it means that temperature, humidity and wind speed values are missing for the day 7. So again, because limit is 2, so it will fill only the first 2 consecutive values, that is temperature and humidity, to fill the missing values. Replacing missing value in a forward direction. So we can specify the direction. If the method is first fill, then limit direction will be forward. And so if we run this, so we will get the following output. Here the direction is forward, so and the limit is 2, so it will use the previous value. And again, the first humidity for the first day is missing values, because there is no previous value before this one, so it will left this missing value without filling it or estimating it. So if we change the direction backward, so in this way it will fill also the same value, the values. Again here in the wind speed, the last value, because there is no value after this value, so it will left this as it will not fill this value or estimating this value, because this is the last values. So in this way we can use the interpolate function for estimating the missing values in the sequence. Thank you.